Can we unite amidst chaos? Absolutely. We can do this if we stand united. My brothers and sisters, let's really talk about staying united when everything around us feels unstable and unsure. Can you feel that tremble beneath your feet? That sense that the solid ground we used to count on isn't quite so firm anymore? We're all caught in this whirlwind of fast changes, new challenges popping up before we've solved the old ones. And those worries, they hang heavy in the air, sometimes whispered in private moments, sometimes shouted across screens. It's like we're pieces of one enormous puzzle, struggling to see how we all fit together in this confusing picture. This constant uncertainty, it can dim that warm light inside you, making you feel isolated, adrift, and alone in the storm. You're not alone. We have each other. But here's a truth that goes deeper than the shifting sands. Right in the very heart of all of this chaos and change, there's an unshakable foundation built just for us, for all of us, together. It's not built from bricks or stone, but from something far stronger, from paying deep attention to this present moment, from combining our shared wisdom and understanding, and from a vast, boundless love that simply doesn't recognize them or the other, only the profound connection of us. This isn't about hiding from the world's troubles or pretending everything's fine. It's about courageously discovering that steady place deep within your own spirit and feeling that powerful connection flowing strongly between us right here, right now, amidst the uncertainty. We stand strong together, not because we're terrified of what tomorrow might bring, but because we know with the deep down certainty that we are fundamentally, irrevocably linked. Let that shared calm, that collective peace become a steady beacon shining through the fog. In this flood of information we're drowning in, the endless news alerts, the conflicting opinions, the scary headlines flashing constantly, the loud noises of media designed to divide us, we must consciously find that shared calm center. So much noise is designed to frighten us, to make us feel small, to pit us against our neighbors. In this overwhelming torrent, we need to be smart together. We need to be careful detectives about what we hear and see. Pause. Ask yourselves and each other, does this news, this opinion, this story genuinely help us bring us closer? Does it respect the basic priceless value we all share as human beings? Actively seek out the quiet spaces between the shouts and alarms. Dig deeper to find the stronger, truer currents of reality flowing steadily beneath the noisy, choppy surface. Sure, facts and knowledge are useful tools, but the real treasure, it's the shared wisdom we build patiently, bit by bit, by truly listening to each other with open minds and open hearts. That's our reliable compass. It reminds us that true unity isn't about everyone looking the same or thinking the same. It's about our beautiful differences, our unique notes, blending together to create one magnificent, powerful song of humanity. When we consciously practice staying calm, when we nurture genuine care for others, when we cultivate deep gratitude, and especially when we do these things together, we send out powerful, measurable waves of harmony. This harmony synchronizes not just our own minds and bodies, it aligns groups of people. It makes us collectively tougher, more resilient. It literally makes our shared inner light shine brighter. Unity isn't just a lofty ideal, it's woven into our biology, a fundamental truth echoed in the quantum field that underlies everything we are. So this is how we truly walk this path of togetherness. We are not lonely, frightened notes lost in a chaotic storm. We are each an essential part of the vast, breathing, living symphony of humanity. When one heart among us falters, when its rhythm feels weak or lost, the entire melody seeks balance. It finds its wholeness again through our collective support, our shared strength, lifting it up. When one spirit finds its true center, its deep wellspring of peace, that clarity doesn't stay isolated. It lifts the harmony, the very potential for the entire human community. To weather the constant stress of this uncertain world, we must actively, intentionally weave the threads of connection. Reach out, not with fists clenched in fear or anger, but with hands held open, radiating genuine understanding. Reject the harsh judgments that build walls brick by painful brick. Choose instead the brave, open-hearted listening that builds strong bridges of true connection. Solidarity forged in the shared, powerful stillness of our own inner peace. Community built unshakably on the boundaries, unifying ground of pure, unconditional love. This is our rock. This is where we stand firm. Stay centered. Because love isn't just a feeling. It's the deepest connection possible, the fundamental frequency of the universe. It's the invisible gravity holding galaxies in their majestic dance, the steady pulse echoing in every single breath we share. Choosing love together, moment by moment, means consciously picking understanding over bitter argument, choosing deep compassion over easy blame, embracing our wholeness over clinging to brokenness, especially when the loud voices of fear and division try to convince us we're separate. The wise ones across all ages saying this truth. And now, remarkably, precise science confirms it in equations and experiments. We are one, we are entangled, we are inseparably woven into the luminous web of all existence. Imagine a single clear note. It has a simple beauty. Now truly feel the power of a rich, complex chord. Many distinct notes blending perfectly together. What incredible strength surges forth. What profound stability. A single note forced out of tune becomes thin, weak, and jarring. But a unified chord, it possesses immense power. It creates breathtaking beauty. It can withstand any amount of noise and turbulence. This is the undeniable physics of our human potential. By resisting our fundamental connection, by vibrating constantly at the low frequencies of fear and disconnection, people break their own link to the immense collective power available only in unity. Their inner light fades. They struggle in a painful illusion of solitude. Actions born from this place aren't signs of strength. They are the raw, aching cry of consciousness still searching for its true place in our sacred, interconnected song, yearning deeply, even unconsciously, for the harmony, the belonging, the unshakable strength that only comes from unity. So let's actively practice this unity every single day. Let's make it real. Breathe together, deeply and consciously. Feel the shared rhythm of life pulsing through you. Anchor yourself in the feeling of our collective strength deep within. This shared breath is our first connection. Be mindful of the information you consume. Step back consciously from stories and voices designed to divide and frighten. Actively seek out perspectives that highlight our shared hopes, struggles, and humanity. Rigorously question anything promoting us versus them. Connect as one. Make the effort. Reach out to someone different from you. Truly listen to their story without judgment. Let kindness be your automatic response. Remember always, your cultivated inner peace actively nourishes mine. My anchored calm actively strengthens yours. We are amplifiers for each other's light. Center in love. Before reacting to chaos or conflict, pause. In that moment of stillness, ask, from this deep wellspring of shared, boundless love, what true understanding emerges? What action can I take that genuinely heals and unites? Let this question, born from love, be your guiding star. If you feel there are wrongdoings, donate, be of service, use your energy constructively. As Rumi wisely said, Raise your words, not voice. It is rain that grows flowers, not thunder. Meet noise with clarity, not volume. Meet anger with understanding, not more anger. This is not easy, however necessary. Yes, the outside world might keep feeling uncertain and chaotic, but the calm sanctuary within your own heart and the powerful connection flowing between us all, that's our unbreakable core. That's our true strength. That's the precious inheritance of our one human family. This unity is the quiet, revolutionary seed from which a better world grows. It's the dawning light of a new reality built not on the shifting, sinking sands of fear, separation, and suspicion, but on the unshakable, eternal bedrock of shared wisdom, deep reverence for the miracle of life, and love, radiant, unconditional, and utterly unifying. Hold fast to each other. Hold fast to the unyielding strength of our shared center. Hold fast to the undeniable truth written in the fabric of the cosmos and echoing in the deepest chambers of our souls. We are entangled. We are connected. We are one. Together we create harmony. We are the dawn. Together we are the builders of the new earth.